In this video, we'll look at a few eye symptoms you might experience that indicate you need to check your blood sugar levels. This should not be taken for granted because high blood sugar-related eye problems can quickly cause blindness. The following are warning signs that indicate your sugar level could be high. 1. Blurred vision. This is one diabetic retinopathy symptom that should not be ignored. Sometimes eyesight blurriness is a sign of elevated blood sugar rather than an eye condition or individual eye disease. This is due to the retinal cells being destroyed when blood sugar levels are too high, which results in hazy vision. Therefore, if you suddenly notice hazy vision, be sure to check your blood sugar. 2. If you start seeing floaters in your line of vision, do well to see your doctor for a sugar level test. Although nearsightedness or more serious eye conditions like glaucoma or cataracts may cause floaters and spots in the field of vision, the reality is that you may also notice floaters, especially clear floaters when your blood sugar is dangerously high. Do not take things for granted, and consider visiting a doctor. 3. Eye redness. The lens swells when the sugar level is too high. More significant eye problems, including eye redness that may be accompanied by persistent discharge from the eyes, can also be brought on by not managing your sugar level or getting it back in shape. Be aware that if your blood sugar level is out of control, it may completely harm your retina, which could result in total blindness.